Hi guys! Welcome back to Vlogmas 2025, the Lovelocks Way, Day 14. Today naman, I'm going to share with you something that my cousins and my really close friends really love whenever I travel abroad. So again, this is something very personal. I handpicked them myself. I recently went to South Korea, to Seoul. That's my birthday trip kasi. So that's very fast. Enjoy lang. So ginawa ko, bumili na rin ako ng mga ibibigay para sa inyo. Ito yung mga sinasabi ng mga pinsan ko pag umaalis ako na okay daw ng mga brands. So ito yung mga pinapabilin nila sa akin. So ito yung Anua. It's Heart Leaf na soothing toner, number 1. And then there's one calming cream. And there's also a soothing ampule. So parang isang set na yung binili ko. And on top of that, I also got this collagen na eye patch. So, isang set siya. I think this is a set or this is a pack of 50 pieces. So, you can share it also with your family and with your friends. So, ayan, it's under the eye. So, nakaka-rejuvenate siya ng mata. So, sometimes I also use this. But hindi talaga ako mahilig kasi gumamit ng kung ano-ano. And finally, this one. This one is very popular. This is the Laneige na sleeping mask sa lips. And this is a crowd favorite. So, sinama ko na rin siya para isang buong loot bag yung mapupunta sa inyo. So, diba, parang isang whole care set yung mabibigay ko sa inyo for this batch. Again, if you want to have this, don't forget to follow all our social media handles here on Instagram. It's Amy Hashim, Lovelocks Light, and Lovelocks Bags. And on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, Lovelocks by Amy. Of course, wag niyong kakalimutan na i-comment yung wishlist nyo for this 2025 and also what you're looking forward to the most sa holiday season. Kahit alin lang dyan. And of course, huwag niyo kakalimutang itag yung 5 of your friends para ma-encourage din natin sila na mag-join and makasama sa giveaway promo natin to.